What's up everybody, Jacob Blank back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to generate motivated seller leads and find deals for completely free. So make sure you watch to the end of the video so you can find out how to find deals for absolutely free. Also, if you're not already subscribed, go down below, hit the red button, and subscribe to the channel. It helps me reach more people and impact more lives. Other than that, let's get right into the video. So now that we're on the computer, we're going to be leveraging Zillow.com in order to generate motivated seller leads and find deals for absolutely free. So if you've never used Zillow before, it is a nationwide database of property values and property information, as well as a nationwide public listing service. What does that mean? Anyone across the country can list their property for sale on Zillow for free. All right, and so Zillow will be in your city, it will be in your state. Don't worry about that. It will be in your area as long as you are in the United States. So there's three options up here I want you to pay attention to. We have rent, where you're able to put a property up for rent or look for a property that is for rent. You're able to sell a property and you're able to buy. So for buy, we're going to want to use that one, and we're going to click for sale by owner. And we're going to do for Phoenix, Arizona. So as you can see, it's loading. And look at all these red dots, right? Here we go. These are all your leads. These are all your motivated seller leads that you just found. These are people that want to sell their property themselves. Now you're probably asking yourself, why would somebody want to sell their property for sale by owner? Why wouldn't they just reach out to a realtor and list it on the market and do it the traditional way? Well, they probably don't want to pay the commissions. They don't want to have to pay the realtor to do that. They want to save money on not paying commissions. And they probably don't want to pay closing costs as well. So they want to sell the property themselves. So they're a motivated seller. They don't want to do it the traditional way. So these are all for sale by owner leads right here. All right, so now you're probably asking yourself, how are we going to find deals with this, right? All I see is a bunch of red dots. How am I going to turn this into a deal? Well, here we go. We are going to submit offers to every single red dot in your market. So let me show you how we go about doing that. So first off, let's start with the property at the top. We have this property in New River listed for $615,000. All right, we can look at the pictures and we see it's a pretty nice property. It could use some updating though. It is the browns colors, not the modern whites and blacks. It could use some updating, but it looks like a clean property all around. So we're going to submit them an offer. Now every offer we submit, we're going to submit our offer at 60% of their asking price. So we're going to scroll down here to where we're able to contact them. We'll put our name in, we'll put our phone in, and we'll put our email in, okay? And we're going to leave this message right here. I'm interested in 43513 North 48th Drive, and we're going to say, I'm ready to offer you. But what are we going to offer? So here is how we calculate the offer. We're going to take $615,000 and we're going to throw that in our calculator. So let's do 615,000 times 0.6, and that is 60% of it. 370,000 is 60% of it. So we're going to do 370,000 for the property. I will pay all closing costs and take the property in as is condition. Okay? And we're going to click contact agent. All right? And boom, we just sent an offer on the first one. Now when we go back to the map, you're going to see that it turned like this lighter red color, like this pink color. So that means we've completed it. So what you're going to want to do is go through every single red dot and submit an offer. So this person is asking $500,000. So let's put $500,000 in our calculator times 0.6 equals $300,000. So we're going to give them an offer of $300,000. It says contact agent on here, but you will be contacting the homeowner. I know the button, it says contact agent, but when it's for sale by owner, it will be to the homeowner. So you'll put your name in again, and you'll put the same message. I'm prepared to offer you $300 for the property. I will buy it in as-is condition and pay all closing costs. Easy peasy. That is how you do it. You click contact agent and boom, you just submitted a second offer. So don't you think one out of all these properties could be interested in your 60% of their asking price offer? I think so. And the more offers you submit, the better chance you have of getting a deal from doing this. It is very, very possible to get a deal by doing this. It may take a little bit of time, but it is possible. So now, step 2, how are you going to stay on top of this to make sure you're beating everyone in the area, right? Beating your competition to the for sale by owner deals. You're going to go through every single one of these red dots till they're pink. And that means you are caught up. You are on track. You are caught up. You have given every active for sale by owner in your area an offer. Now you're going to do this either daily or weekly. You will click on more and you'll scroll down to days on Zillow. You can do 7 days or 1 day. All right? Depends if you want to do it weekly or daily. And boom, here is the 7 days, right? These are new from this week. They have only been on the market for 7 days. So what you're going to do is once you're caught up, every week moving forward, check the 7 days and you'll be able to see the new ones that pop up. And you'll be able to go through, for the handful of people, there's usually only like 5 or 6. Submit offers to those 5 or 6 for that week. Then boom, move on to the next one, right? And then you'll be caught up again. And then next week, come back in, set it to 7 days, take a look, do the new ones, and you will continue to stay caught up, and you will continue to give everyone offers for their for sale by owner properties. So I hope that makes sense. You go through all of them till they all turn pink and you give them all an offer. And then every week, check in for new ones by setting it to 7 days on market. And that way you will be able to stay caught up and be right there, right when these people list their property for sale by owner. This is awesome, awesome strategy in order to get deals for completely free. So if you have no marketing budget and you are not out there currently doing this, then you're messing up. You're messing up. It's very important. So I want to show you this as well. So if I go to Prescott and we take a look, let's move it back to unlimited days, like 36 months. Let's do done. It's loading. Look how many properties we have here. So every single city, no matter where you are across the country, there will be for sale by owners. So let's go over here and let's check out Dallas, for example. Sorry, there's just so many. It's lagging out my computer because there's so many for sale by owners. Like you can just see the possibilities, right? If you want to do deals across the country, sit down for hours every day and submit offers to every for sale by owner across the country. And you will get deals. You will get deals. There is no way you couldn't. Look at this. Look how many properties are for sale by owner in Dallas. This is crazy, right? You don't think one of these people would sell their property to you for 60% of their asking price? I think you'll get lucky out of all these and find your deal. Now keep in mind, one of these red dots could mean $10, $20, $30, $40,000 assignment fee. Just one of these red dots, just going through them all, submitting an offer to them at 60% could mean that you make tens of thousands of dollars. So it is very, very possible, and it is very worth it. It is so worth it to be doing this. That's pretty much it. Zillow is a great strategy for free. So if you don't have any money, I highly recommend you start doing this today. I have VAs that do this. That way we stay on top of it in all the markets that we want to do it. We have our VAs submitting offers. You can also do this with the MLS. If you have MLS access, you can go through and submit 60% offers to every new listing that comes on the market every day. And you never know what could happen. It's worth a shot, right? Closed mouths don't get fed. Closed mouths don't get fed. So if you're not willing to submit these lowball offers, you're never, ever going to get fed. So remember that, closed mouths don't get fed. Zillow is a great strategy. Other than that, guys, thank you so much for watching. Comment down below what other videos you'd like to see. Make sure you like the video and make sure you go down below and hit the red button and subscribe to the channel. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.